Right, let's continue with our lesson. As we all know, we already insert three div class inside div con. Okay, the div class name is subcon. So basically, we need to define one style in the CSS file, and it will apply to all three uh, div class. So basically, if you want to define a div class, you have to use a period and this ID or the class name of that particular div, and you can define the style. So in this case, we're going to use period subcon, and then you set the width. So the width is basically, I'm going to give it about 250 pixel, and then the height is about the same as the width, right? And we'll give a margin about 10 px, meaning that this margin will apply to all sides, top, left, bottom, and right, and of course the background color. Okay, for now I'm going to use dark gray, and that's all. So what you can see here, oh yeah, right, since the div class is basically a block element, basically this is what happened. Alright, what we need to add is basically we need to give it a float. Float left, and right, that will basically solve the problem. But as you can see here, the space is still empty. Okay, what you can do is you either increase the size of the width and height, and or you give it a bigger margin. Right, what you can do is maybe you can add a little bit, but because the height of this is basically 450, maybe we can reduce the size to 350, right, of this content, and margin about 20 pixel. Let's see what happens. There you go. It's almost the same. Almost, but maybe we can add more, so that will be in the middle. Right. Oh, let's try to give it an auto. See what happens. Okay, no, we can't do that. So we need to have a value at least about 25 px. So should do it. Okay, now we're done. So basically, from your understanding, what you should know, okay, you only define once in CSS, but you can have 3 or 4 or more than one div class. That is the difference between div class and div ID. Alright?